Since I'm recording this on the 31st day of January, I still want to say Happy New Year. But if you're like a lot of people that I've come in contact with lately, they're saying to me, why should I be happy about 2022? And I say, I get it. This last couple of years has been so upending in so many ways. Our home environments, our business environments, now everything seems to be relegated to the house. And we were just not prepared for it. We were sitting in clutter and issues before the pandemics began, and it just seems like it's gotten worse and worse and worse. We're trying to find new spaces for activities that never existed before. And we're finding that the clutter simply robs all life from our home and from our rooms. But more importantly than just the life in the room, it's the relationships, because they just seem to suffer so much when things are disorganized. But one question I've always get asked is clutter really a faith issue? I think it is. If you can't hear God because you're so knee deep in possessions that they take precedence over everything else in your life. It is if the clutter takes up so much of your time and energy that you're just totally ineffectual for building the kingdom of God. I'm Eileen Koff. I'm a certified professional organizer. My ministry is Eileen Koff Ministries, and I've been in this industry for over 20 years. Guess you could say I've been there, I've done that. But over these last few years, this has certainly been a challenge for everybody. So I've decided what I'm going to do is offer a 12-week intensive organizing workshop that's based on my Bible study. The Bible study is called Organize His Way. What makes this Bible study different from all other studies that you may ever have taken is that incorporated during this time together, we will actually have hands-on virtual time going into our small areas and getting them organized. You'll have the ability to converse with me to see if I have suggestions or if you have questions, and we'll actually get the job done. But we're not going to be doing this like this is just really stringent and difficult. No, the part of this is to make it fun. I want you to walk away feeling like this can be accomplished. I want you to be motivated, and I want you to have fun doing it, because you're not alone. You're going to be in the company of everyone else on the call, everyone else in the workshop, and we're going to be doing this together. So everybody's going to be sharing their thoughts and their inspirations and their challenges and their praises while we go about doing our own organizing work. I also spend a few minutes doing teaching out of the Bible study. So during the part of the registration, you will be getting the Bible study Organize His Way, and we'll be doing some reading out of each one of the chapters. So the class objective is to get you motivated, to have fun doing it, to be within a community, and to give you some techniques and ideas on how to get to those organizing areas in your home, or those areas of clutter buildup that you've just been looking at over these last couple of years and just thrown up your hands and don't know what to do with it. So if you're interested, I'd like for you to go to my website at Eileen Koff Ministries. That's EILEENKOFF as in Frank Ministries with an S.com, and look for the registration. I'll have information up there now for the workshop that's going to be held in March. Remember, it's going to be for 12 weeks. So if you miss a time, that's fine. We're going to have it recorded, and you'll be able to catch up as to what was going on during that week as well. So I pray that God brings order and peace into your life this year, that you make 2022 different from all the other past couple of years, because you will begin seeing things from new perspectives, and that I hope to see you in March. God bless you. Bye-bye.